morning, Jambusi. We are going to sing a very, very special number, and probably you will not know anything because this is a South Indian language, and the song is called Heaven, and the Lord Jesus is going to come, and then I am excited about the Lord's coming, and also when He comes with the trumpet sound, I am going to meet Him in the air. That's what it says. So the song is from Malayalam, and we are going to sing in Malayali. Okay, Malayali means in the language of the Kerala people. Okay. Swarganatile priyanthidam swadabhidil chernidua mamadhakane undukaluman manamkadupatidulu mamadhakane undukaluman manamkadupatidulu marubumiye aladatiya marubunduni krupaya orunalumni piyatini marutunukan manipo orunalumni piyatini marutunukan manipo Swarganatile priyanthidam swadabhidil chernidua mamadhakane undukaluman manamkadupatidulu mamadhakane undukaluman manamkadupatidulu dalanadane ninakaiya velacheyumandambare aladere sanedevara ilaparil disamavu aladere sanedevara ilaparil disamavu Swarganatile priyanthidam swadabhidil chernidua mamadhakane undukaluman manamkadupatidulu mamadhakane undukaluman manamkadupatidulu kadrukalam manilke kuban kalam